lot of my crew at AIC loves to come here and drink beer. And when I found that out, I kind of got interested and wanted to see the place. And after I met Walt and we talked about doing some AV and audio here, and he introduced me into the beer process and how they did all that, from there it was just completely badass to me.
We got some stuff going on the AV side and the speakers, which is something really needed here at Lot 9 to step up our game. And with the work they put in and helping us out, I said, listen, this is awesome, but I want to do something for you guys. I said, let's brew a beer, and you guys can participate, help make the beer, well, whatever you guys can dream up. And their eyes, were like saucers. They were so excited. So I felt good, and I said the only stipulation, since we're talking about music and stuff, I said we got to play music to this fermenter while it's fermenting. Just let's get some vibrations of music going towards the yeast, and that really excited me. And they were like, yeah, hell yeah, we can make that happen. And so I turned to Kurt and said, what do you think?
So I reached out to Nortec and Elon, who are vendors of ours, and they helped us tremendously with some subwoofers that we installed, their new 12-inch subs. The SpeakerCraft Subwoofer line, we're talking about a dual 12-inch with dual 1,000-watt amplifiers in one cabinet. The premise was to let this beer start to ferment a little differently with the vibrations and bass from these new subwoofers and the music we added here.
A favorite part was watching Kurt's crew actually make the beer. Like, I had to be here to kind of make sure, they didn't burn the place down. But I literally took a step back, and I was kind of doing a lot of pointing, hey, mill this, take this, do that. And they responded great. You could tell they're really serious about what they do, and they brought their game that day. And watching them have fun doing it, that was really cool for me. I enjoyed that quite a bit. I said, do whatever you want, and they decided to go ahead and use some cereal in it. Golden Graham cereal was their favorite, so that got added to the beer, and that's exactly what I wanted you guys to do, push the limits a little bit.
We were rocking some Dire Straits, back there with it, and being able to actually see the waves and ripples in the top of the vat and beer. Are we 100% sure it did a lot to the alcohol? I don't know, but it definitely got it moving. All of a sudden, it wasn't just an audio system. It turned into an audio system with a real purpose. And then from there, it got real creative. We added a touchscreen here. We cleaned up the audio rack. We added automated thermostats and cameras. And then it really all came together. And now it's a fully automated brewery with an awesome music system and a whole, vat full of beer back there that was made with badass subwoofers. I mean, how much cooler can you get than a story like that?